Welcome to Taxware. In this video, we'll guide you through confirming your email and exploring the PayGo dashboard. If you haven't registered yet, check out our client portal registration video for instructions. After registration, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once your email is verified, you'll see a confirmation screen. You can proceed to the login. On this screen, you'll log in using your email and the password you created upon the initial setup. Upon your first login, you'll be asked to review the software license agreement. After reviewing it, type in "I agree" at the bottom to sign. You'll be asked to review this agreement annually at the start of the year. Welcome to your dashboard. Here you can monitor the credit availability and usage. The credit breakdown chart will help you visualize your credit availability, while the usage history will provide you with a detailed breakdown of how credits were used. From the dashboard, you can also review your purchase history or purchase more credits if need be. Keep in mind the rates shown on this video are simple rates. Your dashboard will reflect the rates discussed with your sales representative. To purchase credits, enter the amount you need or adjust the quantity using the arrows. You can select different credit types, but you're not locked into them. They just help you estimate the total credits you'll need. Keep in mind that there is a transaction fee mandated by Stripe, so it's best to estimate your credit needs accurately rather than purchasing credits one at a time. Once you're ready, click Purchase, and you'll be redirected to Stripe checkout. At this point, you can either complete the payment by entering your payment details on the Stripe checkout page, or if you change your mind or need to cancel, you can always press back to return to the dashboard. Thank you for choosing Taxware. We'll see you in our next video.